Go to Canva and go to create custom size and use any resolution you want. Let's use this resolution. Click create new design and go to elements, shapes, basic shapes, choose the square and click on the square, go to color, change to black color, and let's adjust the size like this. Place it in the middle and go to text and type your text. Change the color to black and type your text. Go to font and change the font to Pacifico font. Increase the size. Place it like this. Go to effects, outline, change the color to white color and increase the thickness. And if you want to cover these black areas, just go to tools, draw, change the color to white and control the weight as you want and try to cover the black areas and download this page as PNG. Select all and delete. Upload the new image and let's bring the image that we are going to use as a background. Let's use this one, or just go to elements and search photos and let's use this image instead. Go to apps and type blend image, choose this app, click on this one first, use it in bottom layer, click use selected image, click on the second image and use it in top layer, click use selected image and go to blend mode and scroll down to screen and click adjust top layer and adjust the position of the image and adjust the scale as you want. And when you finish, click add to design. Increase the size and here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.